Workers were increased by 25% every year. So this 25% is a rate of interest, 25% per annum. Then find the numbers of workers after 2 years. So this 2 years is our number of years, that means time, period. So we have to find the numbers of workers means amount. They are asking total number of workers. So let's see how to solve. We have formula amount is equals to P 1 plus R upon 100 raised to N. So P is what? 320. 1 plus R is 25 upon 100 raised to N. N we have 2. So now 320, here when we do cross multiplication this, so 1 into 100 is 100, then here there is nothing means we have 1 into 25 25 and 1 into 100 is 100 raised to 2. So then we have 320 multiply 100 plus 25 is 125 upon 100 and it is raised to 2. So that means we have 320 multiply 125 upon 100 into 125 upon 100. Why twice? 2 बार क्यों किए? Because यहाँ raised to 2 था. So now cancellation. 0 and 0 cancelled. Now 2 5s are 10, 2 1s are 2, 2 6s are 12. Now 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 2 carry, 5 5s are 25. Then now 25 1s are 25, 25 4s are 100, 4 1s are 4, 4 4s are 16. So denominator is completely cancelled. There is nothing left in denominator. So our cancellation is over. Now here is 1, that means 4 1s are 4. We have to multiply 4 into 125. So we get 500 rupees. The number of workers after 2 years is 500. Second question. A shepherd has 200 sheep with him. Find the number of sheep with him after 3 years. If the increase in number of sheep is 8% per year. So here principal is 200 and rate of interest is 8% per annum and number of years is 3 years. So to find out amount we use formula amount equals to principal into 1 plus rate upon 100 multiplied by n. So principal is what? 200. 1 plus r is how much? 8 upon 100 into n is what? 3. So 8 upon 100 in the whole raised to 3. Then 200 and here inside if we do cross multiplication, so here nothing is there means 1. So 1 into 100, 1 into 100 100, 1 into 8 8, 1 into 100 100 raised to 3. So that is 200 into 108 upon 100 raised to 3. So here when we write this amount equals to 200 into 108 upon 100 into 108 upon 100 into 108 upon 100. Okay, this is raised to 3. So thrice 2 0 2 0 cancel, 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10, 0. Now 2 5s are 10, 2 4s are 8. So 2 2s are 4, 1 carry, 2 5s are 10. Further, first we will multiply this and we will put decimal. See, these are odd numbers. So now here what we have to do, in a rough column we have to multiply all this. So we will multiply 108 into 108. So 8 8s are 64. 8 0s are 0 and 6. 8 1s are 8. Now 0 0s are 0 and 0. And then 1 8s are 8, 1 1s are 1 0s are 0, 1 1s are 1. So 4 6 8 plus 8 16, 1 1. Now this multiply by 54. So 4 4s are 16, 1 carry, 4 6 are 24, 25, 2 carry, 4 6 are 24, 25, 26, 2 carry, 4 1s are 4, 5 6, 4 1s are 4, 5 4s are 20, 2 carry, 5 6 are 30, 32, 3 carry, 5 6 are 30, 33, 3 carry, 5 1s are 5, 6 7 8, 5 1s are 5. So 6 5 8 9 12 and 6. So 6 2 9 8 5 6 divided by 25 into 100, because in bottom 25 into 100 left. So 5 5s are 25, 5 1s are 5, 1 carry, 5 2s are 10, 2 carry, 5 5s are 25, 4 carry, 5 9s are 45, 3 carry, 5 7s are 35, 5 1s are 5. So 1 remaining, no decimal, 5 2s are 10. Then again 5 1s are 5 2s are 10, 2 carry, 5 5s are 25, 5 1s are 5, 4 carry, 5 9s are 45, 46 47, 2, 5 4s are 20. This one here, 5 2s are 10, 5 4s are 20. Now this 100 will go as a decimal. So 2519 4 and यहाँ पे डेसिमल है and this is 4. So already 100 भी आएगा तो और पीछे जाएगा here. So 251 decimal 94. So 251 decimal 94, ये पॉइंट के बाद if it is more than 5 तो इसका 1 यहाँ राउंड फिगर कर देते हैं. So our final answer is 252. So that means the amount is equals to 252. So therefore the number of ships after 3 years is 252. Third question. In a forest there are 40,000 trees. Find the expected number of trees after 3 years if the objective is to increase the number at the rate of 5% per year. So here principal is 40,000 trees and rate of interest is 5% per annum and number of years is 3 years. So we have to find out amount. So amount means increase of numbers of trees. So here amount formula is principal 1 plus r upon 100 the whole bracket n. So that means we have 40,000 into 1 plus r is 5 upon 100 into 3. So 40,000. Now cross multiplication, 1 into 100, 100, 1 into 5, here there is nothing means 1, 1 into 5, 5 and 1 into 100 is 100 raised to 3. So when we add it, 40,000 105 upon 100 raised to 3. So that is 40,000 into 105 upon 100 into 105 upon 100 into 105 upon 100. So 20 cancel, again 20 cancel, then 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 2 carry, 4 fives are 20. So 5 fives are 25, 5 twos are 10, 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 ones are 5. So now we have to multiply 105 into 21 into 21. So 21 into 21 is 441. So 441 into 105. 5 ones are 5, 5 fours are 20, 5 fours are 20 and 2 22. 0 multiplied by any number is same. 1 multiply 0 and 1 multiply any number is same. So 5 0 3 6 4. So our answer is 4 6 3 0 5. So the expected number of trees after 3 years is 46,305. Fourth sum, the cost price of a machine is 2,50,000. If the rate of depreciation is 10% per annum, find the depreciation in price of the machine after 2 years. Now see the word this depreciation. ये word depreciation का मतलब घटना यानी कम होना. तो जैसे आज अगर आपने कोई मोबाइल लिए 20,000 का, आफ्टर 1 year व्हेन यू सेल दैट मोबाइल, आपको वो मोबाइल 20,000 में नहीं, आपको वो मोबाइल या तो 18, 16, 17 ऐसे में बेचना पड़ेगा, बिकॉज मशीनों की प्राइस कम होती जाती है. सो डेप्रिसिएशन मीन्स डिक्रीजिंग. सो यह रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट डिक्रीज होते जा रहा है. सो our formula is amount is equal to P 1 plus R upon 100 into N. So P we have 2,50,000. 1 plus R. Now R we have 10%, which is decreasing every year. So since it is decreasing, so we will write it in subtraction form, and number of year is 2 years. So 2,50,000 into 1 plus into minus minus, and then cross multiplication, 1 into 100 100, then 1 into 10 10 upon 1 into 100 100 raised to 2. That will be equals to 2,50,000 bracket 100 minus 10 90 upon 100 raised to 2. So that is here 2,50,000 into 90 upon 100 into 90 upon 100. Why? Because it is raised to 2. Now if you do cancellation, 00 cancel, 00 cancel, so only this is left, 25 into 90 into 90. So after multiplication, see 9 9s are 81, so that means here you have 8100 into multiply by 25. So this 0 we will take afterward. 5 ones are 5, 5 8s are 40, 2 ones are 2, 2 8s are 16. So 5 2 10, 1 carry 2, and these 2 0. So we got 2,02,000, 2000 and 500. So here they have asked us depreciation, यानी कितना कम हुआ, तो जो कम हुआ वो interest. So interest is equal to principal minus amount. So here principal was 2,50,000 minus 2,02,500. So that will be equals to 47,000. So that means the depreciation in price, the depreciation in price of the machine after 2 years is rupees 47,500. Fifth question, find the compound interest if the amount of a certain principal after 2 years is this much at the rate of interest. So now we have to find out principal. Amount is already given, that is 4036.80, and interest we have to find out. Find the compound interest. Rate of interest is given, number of year is also given. So our formula is amount equals to principal whole bracket 1 plus rate upon 100 into n. So yeah, we already have amount, that is 4036.80, and principal we do not have, but here we have 1 plus rate we have 16 upon 100 into 2. So principal into 1 into 100, 100, 16 into 1, 16, 1 into 100, 100. Here there is nothing, means we will assume 1 raised to 2, and here amount is already given. Now further, if we see P, the whole bracket 116 upon 100 raised to 2, that means twice we have to multiply this, and here we have this amount. So now what we have to do, we have to find out this P. हमको ये P ढूंढ के निकालना है, तो ये P ढूंढने के लिए ये जो है ना, ये हम यहाँ पे शिफ्ट करेंगे. So when we shift this here, it will become reciprocal. ये अपसाइड डाउन हो जाएगा, 100 ऊपर आ जाएगा और 116 नीचे. So let's see. So P, हमको यहाँ P ढूंढना है, और अमाउंट के पास सवार है 4336.80 इंटू वो जो रेसिप्रोकल होगा 100 अपॉन 116, और ट्वाइस ए रेस टू 2 है तो इट विल कम ट्वाइस, 2 बार हो जाएगा. अब नाउ सी हाउ टू कैंसिल दिस. सो ये जो डेसिमल है इट विल गो एंड इट विल बिकम 100. डेसिमल को हटा के नीचे 100 ले आएंगे. सो नाउ दिस 116, ये 100 और ये 100 कैंसिल हो गया. अब ये 116 को इससे कैंसिल करेंगे. सो लेट टेक 4 2 8, 4 2 8 and 8 9 10 11, 3 carry, 4 9 36. Then here 4 1 4, 4 0 0. So यहाँ 36 डायरेक्टली है तो 4 0 0, 4 9 36. हम एक साथ 2 डिजिट नहीं ले सकते, इसलिए पहले 4 0 0, फिर वो 3 36, and then 4 2 8 and 0. Now then after this again we will do with 4. 4 2 8, 4 9 36, and then 4 2 8, 2 carry, 4 5s are 20, 4 2s are 8, 1 carry, 4 3s are 12 and 0 this. So 29 ones are 29 and 29 8s are 232. So 232 minus 252 is 20. So 203 left. So 29 7s are 203 and this 0 will carry over. Then 29 ones are 29, 29 3s are 87 and this 0. So 30 into 100 is equals to 3000. Principal is equals to 3000. Now interest. So compound interest they have asked. So interest is equals to amount minus principal. So amount is 4036.80 minus principal 3000. So that will be equals to 1036.80. So 6 sums. A loan of rupees 15,000 was taken on compound interest if the rate of compound interest is 12% per annum. Find the amount to settle the loan after 3 years. So here we have principal, we have rate and we have numbers of years as well. So we have to find out amount. So amount formula is amount equals to principal 1 plus r upon 100 raised to n. So that means principal 15,000, 1 plus r is 12 upon 100 raised to 3. So we have to do rationalizing over here. So 15,000, then 1 into 100, 100, 12 into 1, 12 upon 1 into 100 raised to 3. So that is equals to 15,000 into 112 upon 100 raised to 3. So amount equals to 15,000 into 112 upon 100 into 112 upon 100 into 112 upon 100, 100, this 0 cancel, 1 0 cancel, then 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10, 1 carry, 2 6s are 12. Now let's multiply all this and then this 100 we will take as a decimal. So after we multiply all this we get final answer 2107392, and since we have denominator 100, that 100 will go here as a decimal. So the amount of settle the loan after 3 years is rupees 21,073.92 paise. 7th sums. A principal amount to rupees 13,924 in 2 years by compound interest at 18% per annum. Find the principal. So here we do not have principal, we have amount, we have rate of interest, also we have numbers of years. So according to our steps, amount is equals to principal 1 plus r upon 100 raised to n. So amount we already have, that is 13,924, and principal we do not have. Then 1 rate of interest is 18, upon 100 raised to 2. So, principal equals to, when we rationalize this, 1 into 100, 100 plus 1 into 18, 18 upon 1 into 100, 100. This is said to be rationalization. Here there is nothing, means we have 1. So, further principal is equals to 100 plus 18, 118 upon 100 raised to 2. Here we already have principal, that is 13,924. So, to find out that principal, this we will shift over here left hand side. So, that will be in reciprocal form. ये उल्टा हो जाएगा, reciprocal form में हो जाएगा. So, principal is equals to 13924 multiply by 100 upon 118 into 100 upon 118. 2 5s are 10, 2 9s are 18, 2 5s are 10, 2 zeros are 0. Again 2 5s are 10, 2 9s are 18, 2 5s are 10, 2 zeros are 0. Now directly 59 table we will take. 59 ones are 59, 59 2s are 118. So 139 minus 118 we will get, then remaining 2 into 36 117, then remaining we will take 2 into 6 354. So now 59 ones are and directly 59 fours are. So now 5 5s are 25 and 25 fours are 100. So 100 and these two zeros. So that will be equals to 10,000. So therefore the principal is rupees 10,000. The population of a suburb is 16,000. Find the rate of increase. So here we have to find out rate in the population. If the population after 2 years is rupees this much, so that means we have population principal and also we have amount this much. So rate we do not have and numbers of years is 2 years. So according to a formula, amount is equals to principal into 1 plus r upon 100 raised to n. So then amount we already have 17,640 and principal is 16,000 and 1 plus rate we do not have upon 100 into we have 2. So now what we will do, this 16,000 will come here in denominator. So 17640 ये यहाँ मल्टीप्लाई हो रहा है, यहाँ पे आएगा तो डिवाइड हो जाएगा, लेफ्ट राइट हैंड साइड से लेफ्ट हैंड साइड आ रहा है एंड देन हियर it will be like 1 plus r upon 100 into 2. So here if we do cancellation 0 and 0 cancel and then ये जो 2 है ना, this 2, this will come over here, it will become root for 1064 upon 1600 into 1 plus r upon 100. This 2 we send over here, it becomes root. So 1600 is root of 40, 4 4s are 16 and 0 and 1764 is root of 42 is square root of 42, then 1 plus r upon 100. So now this if we divide further, 4 2s are 8 0, 2 2s are 4 0, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. So 21 upon 20, this one we will bring here, it will become subtraction r upon 100. Then after rationalizing like this, so 21 minus 20 into 1 20, and here 20 into 1 20. So r upon 100. So here 21 minus 20 is 1 upon 20 into r upon 100. So this r will go here. यहाँ पे ये डिवाइड हो रहा है तो इधर जाएगा मल्टीप्लाई होने. So that will be r is equals to, ये इधर गया 1 into 100 100 upon 20. So 0 and 0 cancel, 2 1s are 2 5s are 10. So that means rate of interest is 5% per annum. In how many years rupees 700 will amount to rupees this much at a compound interest rate of 10% per annum? So here we have principal, we also have amount, and we also have rate of interest. Here we have to find out n numbers of years. So our formula is what? Amount is equal to principal into 1 plus r upon 100 into n. So we will write amount, we have principal, we have 1 plus rate, we have 10 upon 100 into raised to n. So this 700 will come here in bottom, equals to, here we will do rationalizing, 1 into 100 100 plus 1 into 10 10 upon 100. Then 7 ones are 7 and 7 0 0. 7 ones are 7, 1 carry, 7 twos are 14, 7 ones are 7. So here we have left with 121 upon 100, and here 100 plus 10 110 upon 100. So now see, here 0 and 0 will get cancelled, and here this 121 is square of 11 and 100 is square of 10. So that means this left hand side, if we write like this is equal to this 11 into 11 is 121 and 10 tens is 100. So raised to this, and here we have 11 upon 10 raised to n. So that means if left hand side this and right hand side this, if we cancel, so we are left with n equals to 2. Therefore number of year is 2 years. So they have asked us how many years. So after the number of years is 2 years. Find the difference between simple interest and compound interest on rupees 20,000 at 10% per annum. So here principal is there, rate is also there, number of year is not given, we will assume it as 2 years. Why? Because if we take 1 year, अगर हम 1 साल लेते तो सिंपल इंटरेस्ट और कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट सेम हो जाएगा, इसलिए हम उसको एज्यूम करते हैं कि 2 years. So simple interest formula is, simple interest is equals to P into N into R upon 100. So that means principal is 20,000 into R into 2 upon 100. So 0 and 0 cancel. 8 twos are 16, 16 twos are 32, and this 2 0. So this is simple interest. And now we will find out amount. Amount is equal to principal 1 plus R upon 100 raised to n. So principal is 20,000 into 1 plus R 8 upon 100 into 2. So 20,000 into 1 into 100 plus 1 into 8 upon 100 raised to 2. So that is 20,000 into, if we add this 100 plus 8, 108 upon 2. So 108 upon 100, raised to 2, that means twice we have to write. इसको हम 2 बार लिखेंगे. So 20 cancel again, 20 cancel. So after multiplying 108 into 108 and then into 2 we get 23,328. So that means now compound interest will be amount minus principal. So amount is 23,328 minus we have principal 20,000. So that will be equals to 3,328. And what they have said, what they have asked, find the difference between simple interest and compound interest. इन दोनों का कितना डिफरेंस है? तो कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट, तो डिफरेंस is equal to compound interest minus simple interest. So compound interest is 3,328 minus simple interest was 3,200 ना. पहले हमको ये मिला एंड ये मिला, सो इन दोनों का माइनस करेंगे तो 821. So rupees 128 is the difference.